So children, here now we will see importance of marketing. Take out page number 73. We can see example is given in the left side. Try this, where it is written try this. So a list of few goods are given which we use regularly at home. So that activity should be done by you. Now the purpose of this activity is to understand the importance of marketing. So children, we will see right side. Come to the main paragraph, importance of marketing. So it is written that modern industrial social fabric, globalization, and availability of abundant choices, alternatives of products is the structure of today's business world. In this context, the existence of marketing system for trade is very important. Through marketing, one can increase business systematically. The production can be distributed all at once on a large scale. The product can reach a large number of consumers. The selling price of the product also increases. Also, defective products can be recalled from the market. Therefore, in today's era, marketing is a vital part of trading system. So, children, marketing is very important. If you want to sell any product, we need to have marketing system very good, efficient, and we can say globally accepted marketing system. Children, today's world, we know that what is the importance of advertisement. So all this is possible because we know the various products. Now the market is flooded up with so many goods. We are having so much choices to choose any type of particular commodity or goods. So it is because of availability of so many products, one products, so many varieties are there. So we can have that, we can say, we can choose any whatever we like according to our taste. Understood? So that is the, and whatever we are purchasing, so that depends upon the good marketing system. Understood? So why we are purchasing that? Because of popularity of that particular goods. So it is because the importance of marketing is there. So we know, because if we could take example, because we are using all of you must have any type of particular brand which you were using, a family is using. Like you can take example of toothpaste, tea or coffee, bathing soap, hair oil, biscuits. So here so many brands are there in the market. There is so many brands, we can choose whatever we like. Understood? So to have good quality product, because it is very important that we want to, any consumer want very good quality product ultimately, because he is paying the price. So that is very important. And also a consumer is much confused whenever he is going to market. He is confused because he can find so many products at the same price. So what to choose, that is a big question. So, and through this advertisement, through the marketing, especially I'm talking here about advertisement, so which help the product to become popular in consumer, among consumer. Understood? So that is very important. So everyone doesn't possess knowledge about every product, but whenever we see others using that product or we see advertisement about the product, we it occurs that we need to use this product. So it happened that we can use. Understood? So whenever we see any type of advertisement, it is it is going to hamper our mind that is this product is very good for us. So that is the question, and because of this advertisement we are having much, we can say much choices to make among the commodities or product. So importance of marketing is very we can say is very important for the any product to sell in the market. So advertisement, see the next paragraph. Advertisement making the customer feel the need to buy the goods are on rise. So reaching maximum customers, attracting consumers to the product, and making consumers buy the products are the objectives behind them. So advertisement is very important because ultimately we are appealed by advertisement to buy any products. In recent time, information technology and media have affected the marketing system deeply. Because of the revolution in the field of information, technology, the whole world has become big market. Through internet, we can get information about production taking place in various countries. This makes numerous options available to customers. It is due internet that customer can use like online trading, e-marketing, etc. So all of you I hope you are very much aware about e-marketing. We can have online shopping. So there is much options for the consumers. So and that is because of advertisement, because this is the we can say information technology age. So we are very much affected by information technology. So in marketing and trading also it is using. So this technology is also used by sellers and buyers. So again, one flow chart is given. You can see, always remember that block: commodity, production, classification, branding, labeling, packaging. And this is very important. These are the major components of marketing. That what are the major components of marketing? This can come in your concept map as a concept map. So this is very important. Underline this. The major components of marketing are production, classification, branding, labeling, packaging. Understood? So one example is also given. You can see rice, basmati, whole, broken, dabar, etc. Name of the company, logo, number, details of the quality of production, price, advertisement, distribution, attractive packaging. So here we can say, because here you can take example, if you go to supermarket, you can see so many varieties of basmati rice is there. So we are having much option. Understood? So which will appeal to us, we can buy that. What is the popular among those brands, so we can buy. So there is much options which is available, and due to advertisement, due to marketing, it is very convenient for consumers to have choice between those products. Understood?